Hello, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Johnson FX. Please, if you are just viewing this channel, please do well to like, subscribe. Please subscribe to this channel as you are just viewing it. Please do well to subscribe. This is the way you support me. And today I'll be talking about how you read news in the forex market, and also I'll be telling you the website you use in checking news in the forex market, right? So let's dive into it straight up. So the website I use in uh, in checking news in the market is the forex factory, right? The forex factory. You can just type on your Google or your Chrome and type forex factory, right? And it will take you there as soon as possible, right? So uh let's dive into it straight up. So today being today is what? December. Today is December, I think 18, yeah. So I'll be setting up my my dates, right? Now we can see this red icon showing. Look at the news that will be coming up tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday. These are the news that will be coming up tomorrow, right? And this is the time, and this is GBP USD, like the pairs. Now, I want to give you like a setting, right? So, what I do, because I trade only like two pairs. I trade GBP JPY and USD JPY. So I left GBP USD JPY, and that's only the three currency that I left. So what I did was I I unticked all other pairs. Someone like you now, you might be trading, some other traders might be trading the euros or the CHF pairs or card. So you have to mark it out. You do something like this, you mark it out, and you you use apply filter, right? You use apply filter. Also, use apply filter, you'll see that all other pairs will be showing. You can see I used apply filter, and all other pairs are already showing, like the NZD the NZD. You have the card. So also, if you want all other symbols to be showing apart from this one, this one, I think this one is I've forgotten the main purpose of this page. I think this one is less impact or something like that. I don't know. But I'll get back to you as regards this one. But this one is high impact. I left this one because it signifies that it is high impact. Okay, there is an indicator here. Signifies high impact. This one signifies what? Medium impact. Yeah. The amber one signifies medium impact. This color signifies medium impact. Why this one signifies low impact, and while this one signifies what? Non-economic, right? So I unticked it because I don't really want to see all this one, because they don't really have such high impact in the market. It's only this one that has high impact. You can see today we had something like um, CPI. You can see the market moved like very very aggressively, right? So if I want to, let's say I want to add all these ones now. Let's say I want to add all these ones now. You'll see that after I've ticked everything, I'll now put apply filter, right? You can see everything is already showing, but I don't want that. I want it to be simple and simple as and precise. Yeah, I want it to be simple and precise. Same thing applies to all the pairs I'm trading. I also want to filter all the pairs. I'm not trading NZD pairs. So same thing applies to you guys. You can also filter your pairs. So I want tick all these ones. I'm only trading GBP pairs and USD JPY. So I will now put apply filter. Everything will be filtered out. You can see it. So now the other one I want to show you guys is if you want to get details about the pair, about the news that is happening, you can just go to this place, open details, right? So it will give you like a little bit of details about the pair, about the news, so to say. So uh this one is the source. This is where it's getting the source from, right? The measures, change in price of goods and services purchased by the consumers, the usual effect, the actual greater than the forecast is good for currency. Frequency, it's always released monthly, about 16 days after the month ends, right? So the next release date for CPI would be what? January 15. So you can also get the next release date for CPI, right? Around you can also get the next date when you go to the details, and now the next date for CPI would be January 15. Now this is just basically where you check the details of the trades, right? So let's go to another. Maybe we'll check FOMC, so that the source is from Federal Reserve, right? The next release date will be May 19, 2025. No, March 19, 2025, right? So the frequency is always released, is scheduled 4 times per year. The FOMC projection, economic projection, right? So that's just it. Please, I hope I've passed a little bit of knowledge. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. I remain Johnson FX.